Hey guys, welcome back to the lesson number 4. So here in this lesson number 4, we'll be talking about anchor tag. So before knowing about what we are going to do, let's know about what is anchor tag. So anchor tag is basically a tag in HTML which is helping in linking from one page to another. So if I give you an example, probably might have gone through some of the movie downloading sites, right? Like movie rules or whatever it might be. So there you might find a downloading link, right? So that whenever you click on that, it might have taken you to the one more another page for the downloading. So in the same way, this anchor tag is used to just create that link so that it's going to take in the another page. So now without much of time, let's see how this anchor tag works and how can we do some stuff using this anchor tag. Okay, so now let's get started with the notepad. So here I have a notepad. So starting with the basic code, then comes body, right? So then later on body close, sorry, body close. So now anchor tag is denoted by the letter A, anchor. A means anchor, now anchor close. So here, so now let's create something that, so that whenever we click on that, it's going to take us to the lesson number 3. Okay, so here let me show you. So here in my files, so here in the HTML basics files, we have lesson number 3 file, right? And lesson number 2 and lesson number 1 and one more certificate here. So let's create a link so that whenever we click on that link, it's going to take us to the lesson number 3. Okay, so let's come back. So let's create a text. Go to lesson 3. Okay, so the code is not yet completed over here. So the next thing which we are going to do is add the property .html. You should specify its extension. Okay, so let's save this now. So select all files. So as we know, this is lesson number 4, we are going to name it as lesson number 4 dot html. Its extension, you should always specify the extension, otherwise it's not going to save. Okay, so let's save this. So now let's run the file. So here it is, we are going to run now. That's number 4. So here you can see we have got a link, right? So here this is the text, this is the text which is going to appear on the first page. Okay, so this lesson number 3 is, this href is an property. Okay, property is something which holds something, so that on whenever you click on this link, it's going to take you to this page, I mean this file. Okay, so we have specified the lesson number 3 file. Okay, so now let's see what happens after clicking this link over here. So I'm going to click this link over here now. So here you can see, we in the lesson number 3 we have learned about the font tag, right? So we have done this today's Sunday and taking all these examples, right? So this is the way the anchor tag works. So this is an href and property. Href is just a property which holds the navigation page. I mean whenever you click on here, whenever you click on this, it's going to take to this file. And it's not that it's going to accept only the file or whatever it might be. It's even going to take the photos, I mean it's even going to accept the docs and even PDF. And so let's try one more example over here. So I am going to, okay, so here now I am going to open a PDF now. Okay, So I am going to write a text as open my PDF. Okay. So this is going to create a text so that whenever you click on that, it's going to open a certificate. So here in my files, I want to tell you one more thing over here. So here in the files, here in the basics folder, I have a certificate file. Okay. So the file which you are going to mention in the navigation page, it should contain in the same folder. Okay. So this lesson number 3 was in the same folder, right? So certificate is also in the same folder. So in order to navigate to the any another page, you should bring that folder or file, whatever the picture or whatever it docs it might be, you should bring to this folder. Okay. So whenever you bring to this folder and specify its name, it's going to open, otherwise it's not going to open. Okay. So here we have certificate, right? So now let's save it and run it. So I'm going to save it now. I've saved it, and let's put a break over here because otherwise it just comes in the same line. Okay, now I'm going to refresh now. So here you can see, I have not saved it. Okay, so here you can see we have got two links. I mean, this was the previous one where it has taken us to the lesson number 3, and one more which is open my PDF. So let's see whether it works or not. Okay, so let's click on this open my PDF. My PDF over here, you can notice this is my digital marketing certificate, so which I got from one of the fundamental course from the Google. So this is the certificate. So this is the way which anchor tag works. It's quite very amazing to know this, right? So try doing something else by using this anchor tag. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So that's it, do something creative by using this anchor tag. So I hope you will be doing that. So till then, have a good day. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Good day. Bye bye.